Okay everyone, so this is where it's at. Let's see if I can catch a sparkle for you. There we go. Yeah, I added some, just a hint of glitter, but I definitely wanted to play with the iridescence and the metallics more than anything, and I still wanted them to kind of blend in to the background so they're not too vibrant, until I thought I was like, looking at it, I was like, there's this yellow up here, and I was like, I gotta pull from that. So I brought in this little yellow guy down here, but there we have it. I added Jellyfish. I was gonna do something like crazy 3D and like try to make the ruffles out of like clear plastic and add iridescence to them, and that became stressful very quickly. So I was like, no, we're gonna stick with this. Keep it simple, but still play with that beautiful iridescence, the metallic. Gotta add glitter. Just a little shine. So there we go. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Did you guys enjoy this? Is this kind of what you guys had in mind for Jellyfish on this? Yeah. And until next time, and the next collab, whether it's with Christina, MMG, I even have a collab coming up with Doris. So, Doris Ford over at her resin channel. So, we have definitely things coming up. So stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit subscribe so you can stay in contact, so you can see more of these. And until next time, I will see you guys for our paint pouring weekend. Bye!